Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Skindie Goodie Bag gift with purchase by Cultbeauty. But before we get into today's video, if you love all things skincare, make sure you subscribe because that's all we do on this channel. Now let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing. I ordered some food because I haven't had any lunch and it's currently around 5 p.m. And the minute the food was delivered to me, somebody else rang the bell. I opened and it's DHL. And I got the Skindie goodie bag. So I said to myself, I need to film this now because the sun is setting and I only use natural lighting. I do have a ring light and two soft boxes, but I haven't figured out the lighting yet. I still think it looks better with natural lighting. So this is where we're at right now. So here's the box. This is a much smaller box than the previous one. Is Cultbeauty watching my videos? Because I did complain about the previous unboxing that the box was way too big for the package. I'm wondering. Here's the content. I did order some other stuff, of course, to be eligible for the goodie bag. I'm gonna share with you what I purchased, but I'm gonna skim through this part very quickly. I will leave a timestamp so you can skip to the unboxing of the goodie bag straight away if you wish to do so. The first product is by C Serum. It is a sunscreen SPF 50. It is in stick form. Recently I've been curious to try out stick form, and yeah, that's why I picked this up. The next product is also a sunscreen. It is by Thank You Farmer, SPF 50 Plus Sun Project Water Sun Cream. This guy right here, I believe this brand is a Korean brand. A lot of people were buying this off of Cultbeauty's site, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it out. And I did get a 20% discount on it. And because I cannot have enough of sunscreens, as you guys can tell so far, I got a third sunscreen and it's by Paula's Choice. I did hear great things about this, so again, I got it to try it out. And now let's get into the goodie bag. Here it is. It is definitely, the makeup bag is definitely bigger than the one I showed you in my reveal video. Let me grab it and put them next to each other. Yes, you can see it is definitely bigger. I love this bag so much. This bag is a value of £15 and it is a part of the goodie bag. I'll go ahead and open it up. It feels exactly the same, like the smaller size. We've got two instruction cards. One of them is by Herbivore for their Prism Serum, and the other one is by Furtuna Skin. The first product is by Pharmacy. It's their Cleansing Balm Green Clean. This is much smaller than the one we got previously, but it is super cute. If you were going somewhere and you needed a cleansing balm, this would fit literally anywhere, even in a small purse. It's so cute. Next product is the one by Herbivore. It's their Prism Exfoliating Serum. This is again super cute, really luxe packaging. This is glass. And I did say in my reveal video that the amount was really small, but now looking at it, it's quite decent. This would last you for a few uses. Next product is by Algenist and it's their Vitamin C Serum. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I can smell this. It smells just like vitamin C. Really cute packaging. It is a pump. So cute. I love this for vitamin C serums. It means no air is gonna go into it. Next we have the Peace Out Acne Dots. So cute, again, really cute packaging. I love these goodie bags. We get products in such cute packaging and perfect for travel. Next I have the two masks. This one is by Wonder Beauty. This is the Rose Gold Under Eye Patches. This has hyaluronic acid and supposed to help with eye bags and puffiness. And the other one is by the brand Zitsticka. I did mention in my reveal video that I'm so excited to try this out. This mask has salicylic acid in it, so it's great to be able to apply it on my face and leave it on for a little while so it can work its magic. This mask feels quite nice, quite heavy. It is a hydrogel mask. Next we have the most expensive item in this box. It is by Furtuna Skin. This is a serum. I'm expecting this serum to do a lot for my skin since the retail price of the full size is £158. Yes, you heard that correctly. It is that expensive. So here's what we're getting. It looks and feels luxe, but nothing different from, let's say, the Herbivore packaging. Oh, this is face and eye serum, so you can use this also around the eyes. The next one is by Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Really cute packaging. It's a squeezy tube and vitamin C, so I'm hoping this is sealed. Well, it's not sealed. I would have loved to have this in a sealed packaging, but it is what it is. Next product is by Jordan Samuel. It's their cleanser. We're getting a decent amount. This would last you at least 2 weeks. So quite nice. This one is sealed. The next product is by Naturelab Tokyo. This is the Scalp Scrub. Same packaging like before, same size like the one we got before too. This is a great product if you have buildup in your scalp. It does remove that, it does clarify it, and it makes your scalp feel very clean. 2 more products left. The next one is by Soulcare. And I did say I'm not sure if we're getting the fragranced one or the one without fragrance. So let's see. Since it doesn't say fragrance free on the outside, I am guessing this is the one with fragrance. Really cute packaging. This is plastic. It comes with this protective top. No, this is definitely fragranced. It has a very warm fragrance, really nice fragrance. Yeah, this is definitely a pleasant fragrance. And the final product, in my opinion, this is the most exciting. It is by the brand LOLI, and this is their balm, all over balm and cleansing balm. It is so cute. This comes in like those mini jam jars. It's literally like that. So here it is. You can see how cute the packaging is. It comes sealed, exactly how jam jars are sealed. But anyway, it is really cute. In my opinion, this is the most exciting product in the entire goodie bag. So yeah, that was the last product in this goodie bag. It is a value of £105 according to Cultbeauty. According to me, it's a value of £110. I love it. I think this is a great goodie bag. As of filming this video, it's still available on Cultbeauty. You can still get your hands on it. All you need to do is make a purchase of £70 or more and apply the coupon code Skindie, and you will be eligible for it. Just make sure your purchases are only skincare. And the best part is that if you're eyeing any high-end sunscreen or any sunscreen that's available on Cultbeauty, they are having a sale currently that's applied automatically at checkout on SPFs and self-tan. And this is very rare because usually on Cultbeauty you can only avail one offer. You cannot avail 2 at the same time. But this time you can, so that is amazing. So take advantage of it. I'm not sure for how long it will be available, but as of this video, as I already said, it is still available. So you can get 20% off and get your hands on this goodie bag. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Wherever you are in the world, I want to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!